Ever wondered what those DiSEqC numbers on your satellite setup actually mean? Let's break it down in just 1 minute. First, DiSEqC 1.0, the most common one. It lets you connect up to 4 LNBs to one decoder, perfect for home users who want multiple satellites without stress. Next, DiSEqC 1.1, the big brother of 1.0. This one can handle up to 16 LNBs. So if you're running a serious setup or a small network, this is your guy. Now DiSEqC 1.2, this one is different. It's not about more LNBs. It's about movement. It controls a motorized dish, letting your antenna rotate and lock onto different satellites automatically. Then we have DiSEqC 1.3, also known as USLs. This is the smart version of 1.2. Just enter your location, and it calculates dish positions automatically. No manual tuning needed. And finally, DiSEqC 2.x versions. These are like upgraded versions with two-way communication. Your decoder can actually talk back to the switch or motor for better control. So in short, 1.0 and 1.1, switching LNBs, 1.2 and 1.3, moving the dish, 2.x, smart communication. Now you know the difference like a pro. Subscribe to CEDTRONIX-TEK for more tech tips.